Good morning from the Fort Pierce Inlet, Atlantic Ocean. Must have some kind of a fishing tournament today. It's Friday morning. You can see all the big boats heading out into the ocean. Those are the rock jetties. I'm on the south side of the inlet at Jetty Park. Free parking for your car. And you can see they're just getting past the no wake zone. So they're powering up and taking off. I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boats right there. 3 more boats out in the ocean. And then I'm going to slide back to my left. And we've got a couple of latecomers. Not very late. But look at this beautiful boat right here. Tuna tower, Sportfisherman. I'm going to assume 65 feet long. On top of the tuna tower, he's got those 2 domes. Those are for satellite TV and satellite telephone. And I'm going to move left again. And another 65-ish boat. Another tuna tower. Beautiful, sleek, fast-looking boats. If you want to learn more about boating, navigation, running your boat out in the wide open Atlantic Ocean, look us up on the internet. Ask Captain Chris.